There's the it doesn't do it automatically.
Oh, that's not the right one. That's the light. Coda, come here. Let's brush your hair really fast.
1 second.
Here's the little door. I'm just opening this. There's that Toyota. A Toyota Corolla. Here. In the light, this light bulb been burned out. I already opened the garage.
Okay, ready?
I saw those garage door openers. Can you step back so I can videotape?
Hi, Quentin.
Hi, Declan. I saw that Toyota Corolla. There's that light button. I closed the little one. Here's the little one. Open it back up. Can you step back, Declan? Can you step back so I can videotape the garage door opener? Because, no, I told you to step back. So I can open it, or I can close it. Let's press it. No, I'm just pressing it. Open it back up. That's the big one. It's not very loud. See how that quiet it is? And this light bulb is burned out. I love this garage door opener. There's 2 lights working in that. I love those garage door openers. I was videotaping. There's that Toyota Corolla. I just want to close both of them. What? I'm just videotaping. What? You moved it from side to side.
I know, so you have to take a video.
Yeah, I'm videotaping. I love the garage.